Gotta
let's
be.
say you do have tracking,
Hmm.
and then you're not seeing really results, right? Like the results being sales, right? Like
Hmm. Right.
that's really all you're looking for.
Yeah.
At what point do you just like nix the campaign? Like how long do you wait until, or how much money do you throw at it before you kind of give up?
Depends on what your overall budget is, right? It depends on globally, like how much you're spending. It also depends. There's a lot of it depends in there. Typically, what you're looking for is the immediate sale. You want somebody to see the ad, visit your website, and register right away. But
Yes.
maybe that's not everybody. Maybe there's some people who need to be, you know, convinced that they should try aerial yoga. So if they need to be convinced, how do you convince them? If somebody were to walk in your doors and you were to talk to them, you probably have handouts, you probably would give them a tour. You have a bunch of sales tactics that you normally use to bring somebody in and maybe help them overcome a little fear or help them feel more confident that this is right for them. Maybe some of your clicks need that. Maybe they're not really ready to book right now. So
Mm.
take it from the perspective of there are different customer types and they're not all ready to book. So maybe some of your budget should be reapplied to somebody who's a little bit further up in the funnel and isn't quite ready to buy yet. And that will at least grow your email list.
Yeah.
And then you guys have great email funnels. You can use those email funnels to bring people along and bring them on the ride. And then when they're ready, they'll sign up. Now, attribution on that might be a little hard, right?
Right.
So that's where your tracking comes in, where you go, where was the original source for this person? Maybe it took them 2 months to actually come and take a class, but at least you'll be able to attribute that back to those Google ads where they came from in the first place.